Hello everyone. I would like to discuss JEE advanced problems, one of the most important topic, pulley based problems. From laws of motion chapter we will discuss. Under the action of force P, here force is applying at a constant acceleration of a block B is 3 meter per second square. Here it is going with an acceleration 3 meter per second square in this direction. To right, at the instant when the velocity of B is 2 meter per second, it is going with a velocity how much? V is equal to 2 meter per second. It is going like this direction, right? So determine the velocity of B relative to A. The acceleration of B relative to A and absolute velocity of C of the cable. So here we need to find out velocity at C point. Here I am taking its velocity at C means VC I will write. Now here in this string it develops the tension T. Now this tension means here also tension is there T. This is 2T here. Next this is T means here also T. This is 2T. Next this T will pass T. So TT means here 2T. Now here this is a 2T plus T means 3T. Now here 2T plus 2T means here tension is 4T. Now work done by tension in a string is equal to, we can consider as a 0. Why? Because this is a massless string. That's why I will write tension dot displacement x is equal to 0. Work done is equal to what I am telling? 0 means that is equal to 0. Here I am differentiating dx by dt means rate of change of displacement we can call as a velocity means t dot v will come is equal to 0. So entire this system means like a two blocks velocity, complete system velocity means sigma I am writing. So sigma t dot v is equal to how much? 0 we got. Now here I will write the velocity of a block. I am writing this is a VA is equal to block A velocity I am writing V. Now VB value how much they gave? 2 meter per second they give. We need to calculate what? VC is equal to how much? At a C point, its velocity is equal to how much we need to calculate. Now here from this tension here 4T with a velocity here what? VA minus it is a 3T velocity of block B equal to 0 we can write. Now here 4T VA value V we took na, so V I will write minus 3T VB value 2 is equal to 0. So we can get 4V minus 6 is equal to 0. T common. So V is equal to 6 by 4. We can get 1.5 meter per second velocity we got. Where A velocity we got. Now C, at the C point we need to find out the velocity. So here I am drawing the pulley. Now this is the velocity. How much here? B block 2 meter per second. It is increasing. Now this side it is 1.5 meter per second. Now this part I am drawing. So up to here C is there. C. Its velocity I am taking VC. Now this side, what is that velocity? 1.5 meter per second is there. Now here the length of the string will not change. That's why I am taking here. This is the length x1. This length x2 I will take. Now total length will not change, means constant, means x1 plus x2 is equal to constant. So here I am differentiating this dx1 by dt plus dx2 by dt is equal to 0. So here first case here, what is that? 2 minus here 1.5 plus this VC minus 1.5 is equal to 0. Here what is the value we can get here? 0.5 plus VC minus 1.5 is equal to 0. Now VC is equal to how much we got? 1 meter per second. So at the C point, its velocity is what? 1 meter per second. Option B is the correct. So we will see the next problem. So next problem we will see. The vertical displacement of block A in meters is given by y is equal to t square by 4. So it is a vertical displacement of this block. So the how much? Y. Here t is equal to in seconds, means time. Calculate the downward acceleration AB of B block. So its B block acceleration downward direction AB is equal to how much we need to calculate. So here how we need to explain means, here for example this A block I am pulling downward direction like this direction. How much displacement is there? Y. So Y means, why we are applying downward, pulling downward means it is applying this side also Y, this side also Y. Means it is a fixed position, means this Y and this Y will come this side only. So here 2Y, it become a 2Y. This 2Y will pass here, 2Y. Now this 2Y will come this side and will come this side. But here it is also fixed position. Now this 2y plus 2y, 4y will come this side, means it will move upward direction. So upward means here it will take 4y. This 4y also will come from this side, 4y, another side also 4y. It is a fixed position, means total 4y plus 4y means 8y will come from B block. 8y means the displacement of B block is equal to 8y we can write, but the displacement of A block is only y. That value they gave t square by 4 they gave. Now we need to calculate acceleration of B block, we need to calculate. So here I will write VB, I need to calculate. How we can calculate VB? So rate of change of V means velocity, rate of change of displacement. So d YB by dt. So what is the YB value? 8 into Y. What is the Y value here? 8 into Y value is t square by 4 by dt. So here we can get 8 into 2t by 4. So 4 means 2. We can get 4t. This is the VB value. So we need to calculate acceleration. Acceleration is equal to what? Rate of change of velocity, VB by dt. So d by dt of, what is the velocity? Here 4t. So what value we can get here? 4 meter per second square is the acceleration of block B. So option C is the correct. Next problem we will see. Identify the relationship which governs the velocity of 4 cylinders. Assume all velocities as positive downward direction. So here, this is a cylinder A, B, C, D they give. So this A cylinder, it develops a tension T. So this tension is passed here T. Now this tension also it is passed here T. So TT means here 2T is there. Next, this T is there. So it is T by 2. This side also T by 2. Now this T by 2 also pass this side. So T by 2. Now this T by 2 also pass here. T by 2. T by 2, T by 2 means here T will come. Next, here T by 2 is there here. Now it is divided into again half means T by 4. This T by 4 is also pass here. T by 4. Again this T by 4 also is there. T by 4. Now constants of string we can write minus first A case. So its tension is T. T its velocity VA minus in this case 2T VB minus C T VC minus, so it is a T by 4 VD is equal to 0. So VD is equal to 0. So here you can take a T common, it will we can get 0. So finally minus also I will take the common. So VA plus 2VB plus VC plus VD by 4 is equal to 0. Take the 4 LCM. What we can get? 4 VA plus 8 VB plus 4 VC plus VD is equal to 0. This is the answer. So which option is the correct here? So B is the correct option. So we'll see the next problem. A car is used to pull a load B with a pulling arrangement as shown. Means this car is pulling with this, what is that, load B. So if A has forward velocity, how much? VA, it is a forward velocity, VA. Determine an expression for upward velocity VB. It is going in a upward velocity VB of a load in terms of VA and theta. Theta is a angle between a string and horizontal. So this is a string. So in between the angle is theta. Now in this string it develops the tension T. Now here also T tension, T tension. So means it will come 2T tension will get. So here this tension is resolves into two components. So along this theta, that is a horizontal component T cos theta. This is a vertical component T sin theta. Now according to constraints of string, we can write sigma T dot V is equal to 0. Now here T value means this is going this side means opposite horizontal component is there. So minus T cos theta plus 2T it is going. So velocity is also is there. So VB, VA, this is A. So 2T VB is equal to 0 we can write. So here T you can take a common. So we can get cos theta VA is equal to 2VB. So here we need to calculate VB. So VB is equal to 1 by 2 cos theta VA. Here, which option is the correct here? First option is the correct. So we'll see the next problem. Now here, if A and B moving with a acceleration, how much they gave? A they gave. As shown in a diagram. Calculate the acceleration of C with respect to B. We need to calculate acceleration of C with respect to B. We need to calculate. Here the tension is T. So this is also T. This is we can get 2T. Now it will also come here T we can get. Now in this case, according to constraints of string, we can write T. What is that? B block. It acceleration I will write AB plus it is having a 2T. 2T with the acceleration of A. Now C is also is there. Its tension is T only. Minus AC is equal to 0. We can write. Now T common. So AB plus 2A is equal to AC. We need calculate AC. So AB value how much they gave? A only. AA value also block A acceleration also A only they gave. So this value we can write A. This value also A. So we can get AC is equal to 3A. So here what is the option is there? Third option is the correct. We will see the next problem. In the figure shows friction force between bead and the light string is mg by 4. So this is a bead. If T is equal to under root of NL by 7G, T is the time in which the bead lose contact with the string after the system is released from the rest. Find N value. N value we need to find out. See here, this string is moving upward direction. Then this bead is released. Then it will comes outside. So in that case, N value is equal to how much we need to calculate. Here, bead is coming downward direction means its weight is mg downward. Friction is upward. How much they gave? Frictional force value mg by 4. This force is also passing here. How much? Mg by 4. Now this is also passed, this side also, mg by 4. Now here it will get mg by 2. Now I will draw the free body diagram in this case. This is a bead. Now friction is, bead is coming downward means friction is opposite upward. What is the value? Mg by 4. Next, weight is downward, mg we can write. Now from this, mg minus mg by 4 is equal to ma. M you can take a common. So 4g minus g by 4 is equal to a. So here a is equal to 3g by 4. This is a acceleration of bead. Small b I will take. Next, we need to calculate what is there. Next, this block acceleration we need to calculate. Now, here, this is the mg downward. Now, in this free body diagram, frictional force is equal to mg by 2, this value. Next, mg downward is there. Now, mg minus mg by 2 is equal to ma. So, here what we can get? G by 2 is equal to a. This is a acceleration of block. Acceleration of block we got. This is a acceleration of bead we got. So, here this bead is releasing from rest. It will come from the downward direction. This string is coming upward direction. So here what they gave, what we got here, this block acceleration, how much we got? G by 2. Now this is a G by 2 downward means this is a G value we can get. Here also G value we can get. Now this is also G. This is also G. So here we can, this string is moving with a G value in upward direction. Upward direction. This is a with a gravity G value. Now spring acceleration, how much we can write? G. G value we can write. Now we need to calculate what is that? This bead with respect to string, it is coming outside from this string. So bead is coming down, string is upward. So I will write a bead with respect to s is equal to bead value, how much value acceleration we got? 3g by 4 minus here string value, how much we got here? String g value, g, it is going upward means minus of minus g. So from this we can get 7g by 4 we can get 7g by 4. Now they gave t value how much? Under root of n L by 7g. So here we need to compare time means we need to calculate first t value. We got a value. So here it is releasing from rest means u is equal to 0. Now s is equal to formula. S is equal to ut plus half at square, equation of motion. So s nothing but I am taking L is equal to u means 0 plus half at means bead with respect to string t square we can write. So half this value how much we got? 7g by 4 t square is equal to L. So here t is equal to how much we can get? Under root of 8L by 7g. Now this is the t value we got, but they gave the t value, t is equal to under root of NL by 7g. So compare these two. N is equal to what value we got? n is equal to 8. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. Next problem we will see. Find the acceleration of block B relative to the block A and relative to the ground. If the block A moves towards left with an acceleration, how much they gave? A. This is a acceleration is equal to A naught they gave. Now here the tension is there. This is a T by 2 I will take. So this is the tension T. This will pass here. This is also T by 2. So here T by 2, T, T by 2, T, here also T, this is also T by 2. Now here angle is how much they gave? Theta is equal to 60 degrees is there. According to constraining of strings, we can write as a, so acceleration of block B with respect to A, we can write as a 5 acceleration of A. So acceleration of A, how much they gave here? A naught. 5 A naught we can write. So this is a acceleration B with respect to A. Now we need to calculate what is that acceleration of block B we need to calculate. So acceleration of B we need to calculate. So acceleration of B is equal to, we can write under root of A naught square plus 5A naught square plus 2A naught into 5A naught cos 60 degrees they give. So here we can get under root of A naught square plus 25A naught square plus so 10 A naught square into 1 by 2. So 5. So here we can get 5 plus 1, 6, 31. So 31 A naught square means root 31 into A naught is the answer. So option, which one is correct? First one is correct. Okay, thank you.